I guarantee that every driver's license restoration case I take will win. It's on my website, it's on my blog. I've written about it extensively. I guarantee to win because we carefully screen the cases we take. We make sure people are eligible to win. I make my money winning these cases the first time, not doing warranty work. But I win all the cases I take because I make sure that the people who come my way meet the state's qualifications in order to win their license back. I won't take anybody who simply wants to pay my fee if they're not otherwise eligible or legally able to win a license appeal. We do good work. We play by the rules. We do everything right. And frankly, me guaranteeing you'll win a license appeal is a lot like a boat maker guaranteeing the boat you just bought's going to float. There's really nothing remarkable about that. That's the way it should be. I'm frankly shocked that not everybody would guarantee a win. Of course, something can go wrong here or there, but then that's what a guarantee's for, to make sure that it's done right the next time. But I've long guaranteed every case I take, and if people want to see it in writing, it's right there on my website, so you don't have to take my word for it.